muffins. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Take a bowl and add 1/4 cup of ghee and beat it for 2 minutes. Now my ghee is very light in color, so I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar and beat it until it's light and creamy in the texture. Now my batter is well beaten, so I will place a sieve and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and sieve it to avoid all the lumps. Now I will add half cup of milk and add it in different intervals. While making the batter, make sure to use the cut and fold method to make the batter. This is the exact texture we need for our muffins. Now divide the muffin mixture equally in 4 different bowls. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and mix it. Now our chocolate batter is ready, so I will add 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence and a little bit of food color, that is tomato red, and mix it nicely. And the red velvet batter is ready. Now for the strawberry muffin, I will add 2 to 3 drops of strawberry essence and a little bit of strawberry red color and mix it. Take the piping bags and cut it from the edge, and then take a glass and wrap the piping bags around it and fill your muffin batter inside it. Just like this, I will prepare all the other 3 flavors in the piping bags. Take 2 to 3 paper muffin molds, as we are going to make it without the muffin stand, so we need 2 to 3 muffin molds, and then using the piping bag of vanilla flavor, I will fill the muffin molds until they are filled 1/4. All the muffin molds are now ready, and now I will add some of the dry fruits in the vanilla ones, tutti frutti on the strawberry, and some sprinkles on the red velvet muffins, and at last some choco chips on my chocolate muffins. Now I have placed 4 of our muffins in the aluminium bowls and 4 in the glass bowls, as the aluminium ones are going in our cooker and these small little cute glass bowls are going to go in our microwave oven. Add home sand in your cooker, then place a plate or any stand and place your muffin bowls. And let them bake at medium flame for 20 to 25 minutes. In the microwave, set the convection mode and on 180 degrees Celsius, let them bake for 20 minutes. Now our muffins are absolutely ready. See how soft and spongy they look, and while pressing you can see how soft they are. And these, the microwave ones, are soft too. Now my muffins are absolutely ready. You can eat it as it is or do the icing just like I did. Don't these muffins look amazing and soft like a cotton ball? Do tell me in the comment box, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.